welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this Glam Pennywise-inspired makeup look from the movie It. Not gonna lie, the It remakes are probably some of my favorite horror movies of all time, specifically It Chapter 1. I just am absolutely obsessed with the balance of comedy and horror. I think it is so well done, and it is so refreshing to see a horror movie that is incredibly well done like It Chapter 1. And if you haven't already, make sure that you are subscribed because this is part of my Halloween series where I am going to be uploading a new Halloween themed makeup tutorial every weekday for the entire month of October. And not only that, but I'm also doing a huge Halloween giveaway to thank you guys for supporting me and my channel. This is my 5th year doing Halloween makeup here on YouTube, and so I'm so excited to be able to have the opportunity to give back to you guys and thank you for all of your support. So make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to hear more about that as well. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can turn yourself into this Glam Pennywise, then just keep watching. Hey Spoops, so to get started, I'm going to be going ahead and styling this wig. I just wanted to do two little half up, half down little buns. So I'm going to be sectioning off this top section of my hair, and I'm just going to be twisting it into a circle, and then taking multiple bobby pins, I'm going to start to pin in random areas of this bun. This way it kind of gives it a little bit more of a design, and I'm going to be taking my little hair tie that I have that came with the costume and wrapping that around that bun, and just doing the same thing to the other side. This is just a very easy, casual way to have two cute little buns and a fun Pennywise hairstyle. Next, we're going to be moving on to makeup. I'm going to be starting off by popping in some yellow contact lenses, and then I'm going to be taking my Fenty Skin Sunscreen and applying this all over my face to help moisturize it. I'm then going to be going into my 𝐌𝐞𝐝𝐢 Beauty Sheer Perfection Primer and applying this all over my face, and then I'm going to be going into my Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Highlight and applying this under my eyes to help brighten them. I'm then going to be going into my MAC Strobe Cream, and I'm going to be applying this to my cheekbones. This is going to help give a nice glow, and then I'm going to be going into my Made You Look Body Paint in Yeti, and I'm going to be mixing that with some of my NYX Total Control Foundation in a Porcelain. This is really going to help give it a smoother texture, and I'm going to be applying that all over my face with my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush. I do like to use a large buffing brush whenever I am applying my body paint. I find that it helps alleviate the streaks by a lot, and it really just gives a nice flawless finish. I'm then going to be taking my white ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm going to be using this to highlight my face. So I'm going to be applying this under my eyes and to my forehead, and then I'm just going to be going ahead and blending that out with the same foundation brush. I'm then going to be setting my face with my Airspun Translucent Powder before we move on to our eyebrows. I'm going to be starting off by taking my NYX Precision Brow Pencil in black, and I'm just going to be outlining and filling in my eyebrows, trying to make them look pretty natural. And I'm going to be going into my 𝐌𝐞𝐝𝐢 Beauty Loretta Brow Wow, and I'm going to be applying that to the arch of my brows to help darken them. And then I'm also going to be going into my NYX Epic Ink Liner, and I'm going to be applying some strokes throughout my brow hairs. Then this is just going to help make it look a little bit more dark and add some more dimension to my brows. And then of course I'm just going to be setting it with my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I'm going to be taking my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer and applying that all over my eyelids before going into my Be Perfect Carnival 3 palette. And I'm going to start off by taking Blaze, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my eyelid and then starting to blend it upwards towards my brow bone. And then you also want to bring this down to your lower lash line as well. And once again, you want to make sure to blend around the edges to help create some nice soft areas where it will blend into your foundation. I'm then going to be going into Chili Pepper, and I'm going to be adding some more dimension to this eyeshadow. So I'm going to be starting off on the outer corner and the inner corner of the eye, and then just slightly connecting that in the center of the crease. And then once again, you want to bring that down to your lower lash line as well. Next, we're going to be going into Black Beach, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my eyelid and then starting to blend this upwards. We're definitely creating a nice black and red smoky eye, so definitely feel free to go back and forth between the colors until you get the perfect transition that you like. As you can see, I'm just going to be blending between the black and the red, and then also you want to apply some of that black eyeshadow to your lower lash line as well, and then you just want to go ahead and apply a black eyeliner to your lower waterline too. I'm then going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid black eyeliner, and I'm just going to be creating a nice wing on my upper lash line. Next, we're going to be contouring our face. I'm going to be taking my KVD Beauty Shade and Light contour palette, taking this contour shade, and I'm going to be applying this under my cheekbones. This is going to add some nice shading, and then you also want to bring this down to your jawline and blend that down to your neck. I'm then going to be going into my BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight Palette, taking Ethereal, and I'm going to be applying this to my cheekbones and my nose as well. For my lips, I'm going to be going into my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Bichette, and I'm going to be going ahead and outlining my lips before I'm moving on to my ColourPop Mulan Luxe Liquid Lipstick, and I'm going to be applying this all over my lips. Now, to extend the smile, I'm going to start off by taking my Made You Look body paint in Yeti once again, and I'm going to be using this to outline the extended smile design just because I really want to be able to make sure that I get the shape correct, and this way it will easily blend in to the rest of my face if I want to redo an area. I'm then going to be going into my Made You Look body paint in Cherry, and I'm going to be going over this design with the Cherry body paint, and then also bring that up right above your eyebrow as well. I then went ahead and went into Blaze, and on a little blending brush, I'm actually going to be smoking out the lines for this design. I thought that would make it look a little bit more abstract and neat. And then I'm going to be going back into my Made You Look body paint in Cherry, and I'm going to be once again going onto my nose now, and I'm going to be creating the little clown nose before adding some shading with my Chili Pepper eyeshadow. I'm then going back into my BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight Palette, taking Ethereal, and I'm going to be applying this to the tip of my nose as well. I ended up deciding I wanted a little bit more dimension to my lips, so I'm taking my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Bull Chic, and I'm going ahead and outlining them before I go into my KVD Beauty Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Witches, and I'm going to be outlining it with this as well, just to kind of help blend the colors together. Following that, I'm going to be going into my Made You Look body paint in Ink, and on a thin liner brush, I'm going to be bringing this up through the center of the designs that we created on our face. It's almost going to create a little bit of that reverse neon design with having a darker color in the middle instead of a lighter one, so I really loved the effect that this had. And then I'm just going to be adding a little bit more shading to the nose. I'm then going to be prepping my eyelashes by curling them before going into my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just sweeping this through my upper and my lower eyelashes. And for my false eyelashes, I decided to take my E&E lashes in Cherry, and I'm just popping that on to my upper lash line. And that is my completed Glam Pennywise-inspired makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. Also, if you haven't already, please consider supporting me on Patreon. You can support me for as little as $1 a month and receive all exclusive behind-the-scenes sneak peeks of upcoming makeup tutorials before anybody else, and it really does help support me and my channel. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And with all that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Hey Spoops, cutting in for a minute to tell you how you can enter in my Halloween giveaway worth over $200, where one of you will be winning all of these Halloween makeup goodies. This giveaway is going on from October 1st to October 31st at midnight, aka like November 1st at midnight, like in between, that in between space, that one. So in order to enter into my giveaway, you first need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Next is to leave a comment on my 2021 Halloween makeup tutorials. My Halloween makeup tutorials that I'm going to be uploading this month, it's ideally going to be one every weekday for the entire month of October, which comes out to 21 makeup tutorials. They are the tutorials that I'm going to be selecting the winner from. And the way that I'm going to be doing it is 21 makeup tutorials. I'm going to number them 1 through 21 and have a random number generator select a random number between 1 and 21, and I'm going to select that video associated with that number and have a random comment generator select a comment from that video. You can most definitely comment on all of my videos, and that gives you the best chance of entering, because that way you consistently have a comment on every single video, so that way whenever the video is picked randomly, you are definitely entered in that area. Third is you definitely need to make sure that whenever you leave a comment, this is very important, that you leave your Instagram handle tagged in the comment. I'm going to be DMing the winner through Instagram, so definitely make sure that your profile is public on Halloween, so that way I can DM you and let you know that you won. But I will need to be able to find you. If I click on your comment, I'm gonna need to be able to find you, so please leave your Instagram handles in the comments whenever you leave a comment throughout the entire month, just because I want to be able to message you and let you know that you won, because otherwise I won't really have a way to get a hold of you. And last but not least, this is unfortunately only open to US residents only. This is the first giveaway that I am doing. I would really love to open it up internationally in the future. However, because this is the first giveaway, I want to make sure that it goes well, so I'm going to leave it US only for now, and then hopefully in future giveaways I can make it international. And because I'm not sure if I need to say this or not, no purchase is necessary in order to enter to win, and we will only be having one winner for all of these fun Halloween goodies. So I'm so excited. Once again, thank you guys so much for supporting me, and back to the video.